I'm gonna go left.
9,
Go left?
8,
Yeah.
7, 6, 5.
Like, you know, there's that door where you can walk into the house that's facing our spawn. I'm gonna go there.
Yeah, I might go too.
Dude, this is like some Home Alone shit. All these BBs.
Oh, there's like 4 of them.
Gun jam? Hit. Damn. Dadgum, they're fast. They got burners.
They got someone who means.
They're already right here. Their sprint game is on point. Dadgum.
I'm pretty sure he shot me through the wall.
I don't like getting touched so fast. At least spit first. Hi. They're on the right.
All the way across.
It's a good one. Is somebody up in the bunker? Yeah. Shit. Watch the right. They're all right.
Surrounded?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't see no one.
They're all on the right. A lot of them are on the right. Somebody just did it for Dale.
Huh? I just have to move this way. Okay.
Is someone shooting at us?
Yeah.
Okay. Logan, how many are over there, do you think?
What?
How many do you think are over there?
You want to come over?
How many are over there? Okay.
What do you say, boss?
Hey, do we have a guy in the bunker? Do we have somebody in the bunker?
No. Keep your head down.
Yeah.
My knowledge.
Bar.
Oh, shit. Damn, no one to cover me shit.
Dude, call your hits.
Alright.
He's in this little fucking, you know how you can like get inside the crates? He's the one that says year on it. Call it, please. Call your hit. Just do it. That guy's out. He's stuck.
You think I can go prone and point under there?
Yeah, go for it.
I don't see shit.
Looks like splitting the difference.
Let's see.
He might go prone.
I don't fucking see him over here.
As long as we have the left and suppressed, we should be.
There's shit on the left.
Yeah.
Snyder, if you want to fucking push that left, push left, please.
If I try to go left, I'll get shot from that dude who's fucking not calling his shots.
There's 2 now.
2?
Yep.
Oh! Right, left?
Yeah.
I got you. Got you. Hey, get out of here. Move.
He's right there on that corner.
Don't blind fire.
This is intense. Make sure you keep holding it. Oh, he's hit. Nice.
I can't even tell if he got hit.
He got him. You got him. Just keep holding that. You have the best angle.
Oh, shit. Almost got hit. He's to the left of the bushes. I can't see past that.
There's one over here on the left, and then there's a couple sprinkled in here shooting at us.
I can't fucking see shit.
Don't yell that.
No, it's because I ain't got my glasses on.
Oh.
Everyone looks blurry.
They're still on the right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a good firefight.
Were y'all able to suppress that one dude over there?
I
Yeah.
can't see shit on the left.
But there's
So like,
there
if
might
I rush that corner, will I
Either
get
he's
shot
gone
by
or
him?
he's fucking.
we don't know. Maybe 50-50.
Either that guy on the left is fucking gone or I can't, but he's holding it.
They have a guy up in the bunker. Should be able to blast him. He's probably suppressing. He's probably fucking with him.
See anyone?
No.
Oh, watch your right.
Where are we good? Where from?
On the right.
Right.
Here, don't move. Don't move, okay?
Alright. We need better. Good?
No, he's not out. You see where it says Grillin' Bear?
Yeah.
He's to the left of it. He's got a buddy now.
Is there anyone over there?
I have no idea.
On the right or left?
I'm looking left. He's on the left. He's on the left? I can't see anything on the left. This one's fucking green.
Rush it?
How many lives you got left?
One.
Oh, yeah, we all got one.
I got an extra. I haven't been shot yet.
Hey, there's someone like right the fuck here. See if you can prone out and get him.
Dude, I wish Kistler were here. He has grenades.
Right here?
Right or left?
Hi. He's on the he's in the house. You know what I'm talking about? That little divot? Yeah. Make sure you keep holding that.
You guys want to drop?
Well, since you got the light, you should push it.
Oh, I got shot in the face. Hit.
Not safe.
Fucking incredible.
You got shot?
Yeah.
I got
We
you.
just lost our best player.
I got you.